no. Take it away. All of it. Tonight I honor Daniel in silence and with fasting. Now leave me!
God, have mercy on me. In you my soul takes refuge. I am in the midst of lions, surrounded by ravenous beasts. Whose teeth are spears, whose tongues are sharp as swords. I call upon your name, O Lord. From the depths of the pit, hear my plea. Come near, you say, do not fear. O Lord, take up my case. Redeem my life.
A divine plan, my friend.
A toast to the lions who show no partiality to a Hebrew over any other man.
Extol the Lord at all times. His praise be ever on my lips. But those who seek the Lord will lack for no good thing. A righteous man may have many troubles, but the Lord rescues him from them all. You have rescued me from the mouth of lions, and I will declare your name to my brothers in the congregation. I will praise you.
Out of my way, Daniel, servant of the living God. Has your God been able to save you?
O King, live forever. My God has sent his angel, and he shut the mouth of the lions. They have not hurt me, because I was found innocent in his sight.
Come forth.